Here, in this part, we are going to discuss the arenas of the Cold War. Arenas here means the areas, the expansion or the spread of the Cold War. That means during the days of 1945 to 1990, several crises occurred, but these crises did not lead to another world war, but still these crises were worldwide known. So these are some expansion of the Cold War, areas of the Cold War, and these are the actual arenas of Cold War. As we all know that Cold War was an ideological war between USA and USSR, and slowly the world is divided between two blocks, capitalist bloc and the communist bloc. So here lies the arenas of the Cold War. In different parts of the world, some areas favored capitalism and some areas follows communism. So here the expansion of the Cold War was day by day increasing during that time. In that arena of the Cold War, the most important or common crises which the world witnessed were Korean crisis of 1950, Vietnam War of 1954, Berlin crisis of 1958, Congo crisis of 1960, Cuban Missile Crisis 1962. Just giving one example, that is the Korean War of 1950 to 1953, where Korea was divided between two parts, South Korea, the follower of America, and North Korea, the follower of USSR. Here lies the most important part in international politics, which was popularly known as 38th degree or 38th parallel. In that case, the world witnessed a war, but luckily it did not lead to another world war. So these are the areas of Cold War. In that expansion of the Cold War, some popular agreements were also signed. For example, Limited Test Ban Treaty, Partial Test Ban Treaty, Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, etc. In this way, we can say that Cold War was not limited within the two superpowers. It was expanded. It was spreaded in the various areas of the world. For example, in some European states as well as in some Asian states. These are some areas or arenas of the Cold War.